In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 2x2 picture in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser and going to the Canva homepage. If you're not signed in yet, sign into your account so you can create and download your design. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Custom Size button and click it. This option lets you create a design with exact dimensions, which is important when you need a picture in a specific size like 2 inches by 2 inches. A small size window will appear. By default, Canva may show the measurements in pixels, which is written as PS. Click the unit drop-down that says PX, then change it to in for inches. This matters because a 2x2 photo size is normally measured in inches, not pixels. Now enter 2 for the width and 2 for the height. Make sure both values are exactly 2 so the design is a perfect square. If one number is different, your final image won't be the correct 2x2 size. After that, click Create New Design. Canva will open a new blank design page. You should now see a small square canvas, which represents your 2-inch by 2-inch image area. Next, upload the photo you want to use. On the left side, click Uploads, then click Upload Files. Choose your image from your computer. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the image appear in the Uploads panel. Click your uploaded image to place it onto the canvas. At this point, the image may appear too large or may not fit perfectly inside the square. That's normal. Click the image and drag the corners to resize it. You can also drag the photo inside the frame area to position your face or subject the way you want. As you adjust it, make sure the important part of the image stays centered and fully visible. For example, if this is for an ID-style photo, avoid cropping too closely at the top of the head or cutting off part of the shoulders. Take a moment here, because this step affects how professional the final image looks. If needed, use Canva's crop handles to fine-tune the image. The goal is to fill the full 2x2 canvas cleanly without leaving white gaps around the edges, unless you want a border. If you do see empty space, enlarge the image slightly until the square is fully covered. Once you're happy with the placement, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. In the File Type options, select JPG if you want a standard image file. JPEG is usually a good choice for this kind of photo because it's widely accepted and easy to use. If you need higher clarity or transparency for another purpose, PNG may also be available, but JPG is usually the simplest option. Then click Download again and save the file to your computer. After the download finishes, you can open the image to confirm it's the 2x2 picture you wanted. If the image doesn't look right, just go back into Canva, adjust the photo placement, and download it again. That's one of the easiest advantages of creating it this way, and that's how you create a 2x2 picture in Canva. Thanks for watching.